Stress is common in life. Everyone feels stress. Sometimes. Today, Rahul and Ananya will talk slowly about stress in life. They will share feelings and simple solutions. Through this calm conversation, you will learn English, step by step, slowly, clearly. Hello, Ananya, you look quiet today.
Hello, Rahul. Yes, I feel quiet.
Are you feeling stressed?
Yes, a little stressed.
Do you want to talk about it?
Yes, talking helps me feel lighter.
What does stress feel like to you?
It feels heavy inside my head.
Does it make you tired?
Yes, even without work, I feel tired.
Stress drains energy.
It also makes me worry.
Stress creates many thoughts.
Work gives me stress.
What kind of stress?
Deadlines, responsibilities, expectations.
That is very common.
Sometimes I feel I must do everything perfectly.
Perfection creates pressure.
Yes, and pressure becomes stress.
Stress is not only physical.
Yes, it is mental.
What thoughts trouble you?
What if I fail? What if I disappoint others?
Those thoughts are heavy.
They keep repeating.
The mind needs rest too.
I always feel there is no time.
No time for rest.
Yes, no time to breathe slowly.
Busy life increases stress.
I feel rushed all day.
Slow moments are important. Does stress affect your body?
Yes, headache, tired eyes.
What about sleep?
Sleep becomes difficult.
Stress follows us to bed.
Yes, even at night.
What helps you reduce stress?
Deep breathing, slow walking.
That is good.
Listening to calm music helps.
Silence also helps.
Talking helps the most.
Sharing reduces stress.
Thank you for listening.
You are welcome.
I already feel lighter.
That makes me happy.
Stress feels smaller when someone listens.
We do not have to fight alone. We cannot remove all stress.
Yes, life will always have pressure.
But we can change our response.
We can slow down.
We can rest without guilt.
Rest is not laziness.
Rest is necessary.
I feel calmer now.
Me too.
Stress will come again.
Yes, but now you know how to handle it.
Slowly, gently, step by step.
Just like learning English.
Yes, slowly.
Stress is part of life, but peace is also part of life. Through slow conversation, kind words, and gentle listening, you learned English, and you learned how to face stress calmly, clearly, confidently.